What does it mean if switches make a buzzing sound? Breaking news for homeowners. The question on many minds right now is, what does it mean if your switches make a buzzing sound? If you have noticed this noise, you are not alone. Many people are searching for answers, especially as the weather changes and electrical issues become more common. Let's break down what this buzzing could indicate and what you should do about it. A buzzing sound from a switch often points to an electrical issue that needs attention. This sound can arise from loose wiring connections within the switch or electrical box. When electricity flows through these connections, vibrations can create that buzzing noise. Another common cause is an overloaded circuit. If too many devices are drawing power from the same circuit, it can lead to heat buildup. This stress on the electrical system can result in buzzing or humming sounds. It is important to be mindful of how many devices you have plugged into a single outlet. Aging or frayed wires can also contribute to this problem, particularly in older homes. Cold weather can increase resistance in these wires, leading to sparking or buzzing behind walls or switches. Regular checks on your wiring can help prevent these issues. Additionally, faulty switches or electrical components may be failing. If you hear buzzing, it might mean that a switch needs replacement to avoid further problems or hazards. Ignoring these sounds could lead to more serious electrical failures or even fire hazards. If you hear buzzing from your switches, do not ignore it. It is advisable to have a qualified electrician inspect the situation. They can identify the root cause and ensure everything is functioning safely. Taking action now can save you from potential issues down the line. In summary, buzzing switches usually indicate an electrical fault such as loose wiring, overload, or a failing component. Addressing these issues promptly is essential for your safety and the proper function of your home's electrical system.